Okay, here 9 minus 3 is 6 plus 2 power 2 times 4 divided by 2. Here 6 plus 2 power 2 is 4 times 4 divided by 2. Here 6 plus 4 is 10 times this 4 divided by 2. Here 10 times 4 is 40 divided by this 2. Here 40 divided by 2 is 20 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 20 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, this bracket is higher priority. So we don't have the bracket in this problem. The next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 2 power 2. So we have to do this 2 power 2 before any other operation. So 9 minus 3 plus 2 power 2 is 4 times 4 divided by 2. Here we have next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. Here division and multiplications are higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication division before this addition and subtraction. Here both are equal priority. Multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced another rule called left to right. Here left to right is 4 times 4. We have to do this 4 times 4 before any other operation. So 9 minus 3 plus 4 times 4 is 16 divided by 2. Here we have subtraction, addition and division. Division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division before this addition and subtraction. So 9 minus 3 plus this 16 divided by 2 is 8. Here we have subtraction and addition. Addition and subtractions are equal priority. For this we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6 plus this 8. Here 6 plus 8 is 14 is the correct answer.